Hello everyone. Let's dive into the WOBKEY Rainy 75, a mechanical keyboard that's been making waves in the custom keyboard community. Right off the bat, the build quality impresses. The CNC machined 6063 aluminum alloy case feels incredibly solid and premium. This isn't some flimsy plastic board. It has a substantial weight that anchors it to your desk. The Rainy 75 boasts triple mode connectivity, offering wired USB-C, Bluetooth 5.0, and 2.4G wireless options. The flexibility is fantastic, allowing seamless switching between devices. Latency is impressively low, with 2 milliseconds in wired mode, 3 milliseconds on 2.4G, and 7 milliseconds via Bluetooth. Gamers will appreciate the responsiveness, especially when using the wired or 2.4G connections. Acoustics are a major focus here, and WOBKEY delivers. The keyboard features a 5-layer foam setup and 14 dampening buds, which work together to create a pleasingly muted and refined sound signature. The pre-lubricated HMX and JWK switches contribute to the smooth key presses and eliminate any scratchiness. The sound is a deep, thocky sound that is satisfying to the ears. The keycaps are made of high-quality PBT plastic, which is known for its durability and resistance to shine. The legends are crisp and clear, and the texture feels great under the fingertips. The overall typing experience is comfortable and enjoyable, making it suitable for both gaming and productivity. The Rainy 75 also features RGB lighting, which is always a plus for those who like to customize the look of their keyboard. The lighting is bright and vibrant, and there are plenty of different effects to choose from. The software is easy to use and allows you to customize the lighting, remap keys, and create macros. The keyboard also has a large 7,000 mAh battery, which provides long battery life. You can easily use the keyboard for several days on a single charge, even with the RGB lighting turned on. The WOBKEY Rainy 75 is compatible with a wide range of devices, including desktops, MacBooks, Chromebooks, and laptops. It's a versatile keyboard that can be used for gaming, productivity, or to general use. Overall, the WOBKEY Rainy 75 is an excellent mechanical keyboard that offers a lot of value for the price. It has a premium build quality, pleasing acoustics, versatile connectivity options, and a comfortable typing experience. If you're looking for a custom keyboard that won't break the bank, the Rainy 75 is definitely worth considering. It's a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade their typing experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.